Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make an infographic on Canva. Now, for us to get this done, I'm just going to inform you guys that there are actually a lot of templates that you can use here in Canva. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. So yeah, from this point forward, knowing that you have that, I just want you to go ahead and try to look for them in here. So you can go ahead and type here infographic and then hit enter. And then you should be able to see all of these infographics. In order for you to know which ones are free, you should be able to see this one right here. So it says Pro. That means you need to subscribe. And then those that don't have that one are free. So yep, that's just basically it. So say for example, we're going to go ahead and open one. All right. Say for example, all right, this one right here, we're going to go ahead and click the customize in order for us to see it. So you have here creative process, you have the colors and everything there. You can actually customize everything in here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Let's start with the title. So click this one right here, and you can go ahead and click the color and be able to choose colors, different colors as you need, as you want. And then say for example, with regards to this one being transparent, you can go ahead and click this and adjust the transparency of this. Say for example, this is a title, you want this to be as much as possible be visible, so you adjust transparency to 100. And then you have these small designs. Actually, you can go ahead and adjust them or delete them and then add another one. To do this or to find these, you can go ahead and click the elements here, and then you can go ahead and look for, say for example, paperclip. All right, and then click the graphics, and you should be able to see here different options, right? So you can go ahead and add something, say for example this one right here. When you click that, it should be added in here. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and basically drag this here at the top so we can use it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and try to make it fit here. All right, there you go. And then if you want to adjust, say for example, the transparency, again, do the same thing, click it, click this one, and then adjust transparency here, just like so. So yep, that's just one way in order for you to get this done. Now with the text, you can go ahead and click it. You can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to choose from different font. And then say for example, styles, you can go ahead and click this one as well. And you should be able to basically make your own. So heading, subheading, body, it's up to you guys. So yeah, that's just how you're going to get this done. Another thing is this one right here. You can see that it has some sort of effect. You can head over here to the effects tab, and you can see that this is the effect that this person has been using. So you can go ahead and adjust this one depending on your needs. Now another one for the color of this effect, go ahead and click this one, and then you can go ahead and adjust this. See? All right, that's just how easy it is. All right, I'm gonna close it, and then down here below, so you have number one. This is actually just typed by that person. All right, another thing is this one. You can go ahead and adjust, reposition this one, or basically delete and put something new here. So yep, easy. Now go ahead and scroll down, and basically the process is most likely the same thing for everything else. They just have this particular graphics, which again, you can go ahead and hit the elements, hit the graphics, and type, say for example, notebook. All right, so you have there a lot of options, right? So still the same thing for this one right here. You can click this. Oh, another thing, you can click this one and you have the option to change the color here. For example, the black that is currently here. So you can go ahead and click this one and be able to choose a different color. You can see it change here, right? So that is one way. Another thing is the purple, this dark purple right here. You can click this one and then still the same thing, change it. Again, it is going to depend on the motif that you have selected, but basically that's an idea on how you're going to get this done. Another thing, say for example, the color is not found here, or the color basically is or the color that you want is basically not found from the options here. Now you can go ahead and click, say for example, this one, then click this in order for you to basically be able to change or experiment on colors. Say for example, red, I just want it to be different. I can definitely do that one, right? So here are the options to do that. Now go ahead and do the same thing for all the others here. It's basically the same thing. Now let's say for example you do want to delete it. For example, this one right here, I can just go over and click this or highlight everything. I'm going to use a left key of my mouse and then highlight everything, and just hit the delete button just like so, and you are done. So now go ahead and save it, share it, or print it. So it's up to you guys. But that, everybody, is how you are going to create your own infographic on Canva.